Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 9 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 9 maths. Click on view all lessons and find the chapter geometry. Here is the list of the lessons we are going to cover today. They are parameter area and volume changes in scale, Pythagorean theorem word problem, then converse of the Pythagorean theorem, is it a right angle? Here is the list. This is the list of the topic we are going to cover today. Got it? So let's start with the first lesson, that is parameter area and volume changes in scale. Got it? Let me write down the lesson, the name of the first lesson. We'll start then. Got it? Let's start with the first one. Okay, let me write down the lesson name. Okay, the lesson name is parameter area and volume changes in scale. Okay, here is the list of the topic where I will going to start. The topic name is parameter area and volume changes in scale. Got it? So let's start with the lesson. Okay, here I'm on grade 9 maths. The chapter name is geometry and the lesson name is parameter area and volume changes in scale. Right? Okay, let's start with the example. Look at the triangle. If both the dimensions are doubled, then which of the following statement about its parameter will be true? Got it? The new parameter will be 4 times the old parameter. The new parameter will be 3 times the old parameter. The new parameter will be 2 times the old parameter. The new parameter will be half of the old parameter. Got it? So actually the parameter is for the this is the height and this is the width, or either you can say the breadth or the width. Got it? So the parameter for the rectangle is 2 times width plus height. Got it? When you double them, double means you have two width is doubled and height is doubled. Got it? You can take common outside, it would be 2 times 2. It would be width plus height. So actually it is 2 times the original parameter. 2, and that was the original parameter. So it is 2 times the parameter. Got it? So the correct option for this one is the new parameter is 2 times the old parameter. Got it? That would be the correct. The new parameter will be 2 times the old parameter. Got it? Okay, let's start with the test questions. Okay, look at the cube. If the side lengths are doubled, then which of the following statement about the surface area will be true? Okay, let's see. It is the cube and double the. Okay, we have a cube and the side lengths are, if the side lengths are doubled, which of the following statement about its surface area will be true? Okay, now the sides are doubled. Got it? So here we have a cube with the side lengths 10 feet and they are doubled. We have to find the surface area of the cube. Got it? The side lengths are 10 feet. So the surface area of the cube is, okay, so we are given with the 10 feet. Okay, so we know that the surface area of the cube is 6 times the all the faces, because the cube has 6 faces. Got it? And the face one, and the area of one face is side square, so it would be then 6s square. So let's suppose s is doubled. Got it? It would be 6. S is now doubled, that means 2s, so you have to square. It would be 6, and 2 square is 4s square. Got it? That means it would be 4 times the old surface area. Got it? Because 6 is already with, it would be 6x square, and you have the 4 outside. That means now the new surface area is 4 times the old one. Got it? So the correct option is the new surface area would be the 4 times the old surface area. Let's see. This is the correct. The new surface area will be 4 times the old surface area. Got it? So just select option and then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, the next one is look at the rectangular prism. If the length is tripled, then which of the following statement about its volume will be true? Okay, now the lengths are tripled. Got it? So we know that it's the volume. So the volume of the rectangular prism is length time width time height. Got it? Now all the lengths are tripled. Mm, the volume of the rectangular prism is length time width time height. Got it? Now they all, okay, let me just read it again. The length is tripled. Okay, not all the sides, just length is tripled. Got it? Now the new L would be 3L. Got it? So it would be 3L, W and H. Got it? So it would be then 3 times time width time height. That means the new volume is 3 times older than the old volume. Got it? Because 3 is multiplying to the old volume. LWH is the old volume. Got it? Just 3 is multiplying to it, so that means the new volume is 3 times the old volume. Got it? So the correct option is the new volume will be 3 times the old volume. Got it? Okay, sorry, not that is. It would be this one. The new volume will be 3 times the old volume. Got it? Okay, the next one is look at the rectangular prism. If the length is doubled, then which of the following statement about its volume will be true? That is exactly the same we just did, but in the case in the last question, the case is length is tripled. Got it? That's how the volume will be 3 times the older volume. Now the length is doubled. That means the new volume would be 2 times the old volume. Got it? So select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, look at the rectangular prism. If all 3 dimensions are tripled, then which of the following statements about its surface's area will be true? So all 3 are tripled. Got it? Okay. Then what would be the, okay, surface area? Okay, you have to find the surface area of the triangle rectangular prism. Okay, so the surface area would be length time width plus width time height and plus width time height. Got it? It would be 2 times length width height. That is for the triangular prism. Got it? Sorry, rectangular prism. That is for the rectangular prism. Got it? Now all of the are tripled. Got it? L is now 3L. W is now 3W. Again, the W is now 3W. And H is now 3H. Plus again, W is 3W. And height is 3H. Got it? So you have 2 and 3 times 3 is 9 length width. Plus 3 times 3 is 9 width height. Plus again 3 times 3 is 9 width height. Got it? So take 2 out, 9 outside, and you're left with the same thing, that is 2 times length width plus width height and plus width length. Got it? Got it? That is LH, sorry, not. Okay, that means the area, that the new surface area would be 9 times the older one. Got it? So the correct option is the new surface area is 9 times the older one. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. 9 times the old surface area. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next topic. Got it? Okay, the next lesson is Pythagorean theorem. Let me write down the lesson name. Okay, the new one is next lesson is Pythagorean theorem. Got it? Let's start with the next lesson, that is Pythagorean theorem. Got it? Okay, let's start with the lesson. Find the lesson. We are on the grade 9 maths. The chapter name is geometry, and the lesson we're going to start with is Pythagorean theorem. Got it? Okay. So first of all, we have to understand what is Pythagorean theorem actually. Pythagorean theorem always holds for the right angle triangle. Got it? Pythagorean theorem always holds with the right angle triangle. Let me write it down. You can note down Pythagorean theorem always works with a right angle triangle. Got it? Right angle triangle means one of the angle in the triangle must be 90 degrees. Got it? Right angle means one of the angle in a triangle must be 90 degree. Got it? Okay, let me draw a triangle. The right angle triangle always looks like this. And this one. Got it? Because one of the angle must be 90 degree. So this is the angle that is 90 degree. Got it? So this is a right angle triangle. So what is Pythagorean theorem? This is or the side that is in front of the right angle. This one is in front. It is always the hypotenuse. Got it? That is the base and that is the opposite. Got it? For example, it would be this that triangle A, B, and C. Got it? So the side that is in front of the right angle, it would be the you can represent it with a small c. Got it? You have A, so the opposite side of the A you can represent it with a small a, and the here is the side B length triangle angle B, and the side that is in front of angle B you can write it as the small b. So Pythagorean theorem is the hypotenuse square must equals the sum of squares of the other two sides. Got it? Hypotenuse is always the greatest side length in a triangle. Got it? So Pythagorean theorem, because it is the sum of squares of other two sides, so it is greater than the other two sides. Got it? So it would be c square equals a square plus b square. Either hypotenuse square must equals the base square and the opposite square. Got it? That is actually the Pythagorean theorem. Got it? Please note down the definitions and the explanation as well. Got it? Okay, let's start with the test questions. Okay, here is a right angle triangle, 12 and 5. Let me draw the triangle that looks like the one on the question. Okay, here is the triangle. It looks like this. It would be, I think, mm, 12 miles and 5 miles. It would be 12 miles and 5 miles. Got it? So you have to find the hypotenuse. Got it? Or either you can say you have to find the side length of side C. Got it? It would be C, B, and A. So it would be then B. It would be then A. Got it? So you have to calculate the values B, A. You have to square off squares of the other two sides. So it would be 12 square because A is 12 and plus 5 square. So it would be 12 square is 144 and plus 5 square is 25. So when you add them, it would be 169. So it's C square. You have to find side length of C side. So square root both sides. So 2 and square root got cancelled and square root 169 equals 13. That means the side length of the C is 13. You can see it is greater than the other two sides, isn't it? Yes, it is. So it would be 13. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, the next one is it would be 4 mm and 3 mm. Use the okay, it would be 3 mm and 4 mm. It would be 3, no, sorry. 3 and 4, okay. Okay, it would be 3 and 4. So that would be C, that would be B, and that would be A. So just calculate the squares of the sides. So it would be 4 square plus 3 square. 4 square is 16 and 3 square is 9. So it would be 25. Got it? You have to calculate the value of C only. So square root both sides. Then it would be C equals 5. Got it? So the correct option is C equals 5. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 20 miles and 16 miles. You are given with the hypotenuse. Got it? You have to find the opposite one. Okay. A, 16 and 20. That is C. You have to find the side length A. Got it? We know that the Pythagorean theorem is C square equals A square plus B square. So move B to the other side because you have to find the side length of A. It would be then C square minus B square. Got it? C is 20. 20 square minus 16 square. 20 square is 400 and 16 square is 256. Got it? Just subtract them. It would be 144. Now square root both sides because you have to find the value of A only. It would be A equals 12. Got it? That means it's this missing side length is 12. You can see clearly the C side, the hypotenuse is always greater than the other two sides, isn't it? So hypotenuse is the greatest side length in the triangle, right angle triangle. Got it? Okay. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. Got it? Okay, just click on the back button. Let me write down the next lesson name. Okay, so the lesson name is Pythagorean theorem word problems. Okay, we are on grade 9 maths. The chapter name is geometry. And here is the lesson name, that is Pythagorean theorem word problems. Got it? Okay, let's start with the test. Okay, three baseball players are playing catch. Neela is directly south of Colin and directly west of Mitchell. Neela and Mitchell are 3 meter apart, and Mitchell and Colin are 5 meter apart. How far apart are Neela and Colin? Okay, so let me first draw the triangle. Got it? Okay, Neela is directly south of Colin. It would be a right angle triangle. So one of the side lengths is 3 and the other side length is 5 meter. So this is 3 meter and this is 5 meter. Okay. One of them is Neela is at least south of the Colin. Got it? Here is the Neela and here is the Mitchell, and the third one is mm, Colin. Got it? Okay, so you have to find the side length of the opposite. Got it? We know that this is then C, this is then B, and this is the A. So we know that the Pythagorean theorem is C square equals A square plus B square. But we are given with the C, we have to find the side length of A. So it would be then A square equal C square minus B square. Got it? C square is 5, so it would be 5 square minus 3 square equals 25 minus 9 equals A square. It would be 16 equal A square. Just calculate the square root, it would be A equals 4. Got it? Okay, so select the correct option and move on to the next question. Okay, Janel is admiring a statue in Newberry Park from 5 meter away. If the distance between the top of the statue and Janel's head is 13 meter, how much taller is the statue than Janel? Got it? So just let's just form a right angle triangle and then we'll. Okay. Uh, statue in Newberry Park is 5 meter away. Janel is admiring. Okay, this is the statue and here is the Janel. Got it? From 5 meters. She is standing 5 meter away from the statue. Okay, then if the distance between the top of the statue and the Janel's head is 13 meter, how much taller is the statue than Janel? Okay, so the distance from here to here, it would be then 13 meter. Wait. If the distance between the, yes, top of the statue and Janel's head is 13 meter. How much taller is the statue than the Janel? You have to calculate the length of the. Okay, it would be then this is C, this is B, and this is A. You have to calculate A. So it would be A square equals C square minus B square. C is 13, so you have to do 13 square minus B is 5 square. It would be 13 square is 169 and minus 5 square is 25. Got it? So 169 minus 25 is 144 equals A square. Square root both sides, it would be A equals 12. That means the statue is 12 meters longer than the Janel. Got it? It would be 12. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay. A mouse has made holes in opposite corners of the rectangular kitchen. The width of the kitchen is 12 feet and the distance between the mouse holes is 15 feet. What is the length of the kitchen? Okay, you have to calculate the length of the kitchen. That is the length of the kitchen you have to find. The distance between the two holes is 15 feet. And the width of the kitchen is 12 feet. Let me just confirm. Yes. Okay, you have to find the A. Here it is C. It is B and you have to calculate A. It would be C square equals A square plus B square. You have to find the side length of A. It would be then A square equals C square minus B square. C is 15, so it would be 15 square. It is 225 and minus 12 square is 144. 5 subtract 1 is 4 is 1. 12 subtract 4 is 8. Yes, it would be 81. Square root both sides, so it would be then A equals 9. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the. Okay, the next one is Vince just went down at the slide at the playground. He walks 6 feet to get from the end of the slide back to the ladder. Then he climbs 8 feet to the top of the slide again. How long is the slide? Got it? Okay. This is the slide that is actually you have to find the length of the slide. And the other two measurements given are he walks 6 feet to get from the end of the slide to the ladder. Okay, so from here to here, she have to walk 6 feet. And then he climbs 8 feet on the top. So it would be 8 feet. Got it? You have to calculate the but the way the hypotenuse using Pythagorean theorem. It would be c square equals a square plus b square. So it is 8 square plus 6 square. 8 square is 64 and 6 square is 36. So when you add them, it makes 100. So c square equals 100. Just square root both sides. It would be c equals 10. Got it? So it would be 10. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. Okay, the next lesson is converse of a Pythagorean theorem. Is it a converse of a Pythagorean theorem? Is it a right triangle? Okay, that is the lesson name we're going to start with. Converse of a Pythagorean theorem. Is it a right triangle? Okay, let me just go to the lesson. Okay, a triangle has a side length of 11 inches, 15 inches, and 17 inches. Is it a right angle triangle? Okay, 11, 15, and 17. You have to check if it is a right angle triangle. Got it? Like I explained, the largest side is always the hypotenuse. Got it? Then the rest of them is, one of them is the base and one of them is the opposite. Got it? So it would be just c square equals a square plus b square. Just replace the variables with the value. C is the 17 square equals a is 15 square and plus b is 11 square. 15 square is 225, 11 square is 121, and 17 square is mm, 289. I think yes, it is 289. Okay, add this side. Let's see if they are equal. 5 and 1, 6. 2 into 4 and 3. They are not equal. If both sides are equal, that means the triangle is a right angle triangle. Got it? So they are not equal. That means no, the triangle isn't a right angle triangle. Got it? Let's start with the test questions. Okay, let's start with the test. Is a triangle 11 with a length 11 feet, 12 feet, and 18 is a right angle triangle? Okay, 11, 12, and 18. 11 feet, 12 feet, and 18 feet. Okay, the largest one is always the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse equals 18. And you can name the other one as, you can say either it is C, it is B, and it is A. No matter what, which side is A and B. Got it? Because you have to calculate the sum of AB. Got it? So it would be C square equals A square plus B square. C is 18 square. A is 12 square. And B is 11 square. It would be 12 square is 144. It is 121. And let me just calculate the 18 square. It would be 324. Just add them. 4 and 1, 5. 6 and 2, they are not equal. That means no, it isn't a right angle triangle. Got it? The answer is a big no. Okay, the next one is a triangle has the side lengths with 12 meter, 13 meter, and 17 meter. 12, 13, and 17. Okay, they are 12, 13, and 17. 12, 13, and 17. It would be C, B, and A. Got it? So C square equals A square plus B square. So C is 17, A is 13 square, and B is 12 square. It would be 17 square is 289, 13 square is 169, and 12 is 144. Got it? So just add them. It would be 169 plus 144 equals 313. So no, they are not equal. That means this isn't a right angle triangle. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. The answer is no. Okay, the next one is a triangle has sides 8, 12, and 16 kilometer. Is it a right angle triangle? Okay, 8, 12, and 16. Okay, 8, 12, and 16. That would be C, B, and A. So C square equals A square plus B square. Okay, C is 16 square equals A is 8 square and plus 12 square. Got it. Okay, so 16 square is 256, 8 is 64, and it is 144. Got it? So 144 plus 64 is 208. They are not equal. That means no, they are not the right angle triangle. Got it? The answer is no. Okay, a triangle has 3, 4, and 5. So 5 square is 25, 4 square is 16, and 3 square is 9. Yes, it is a right angle triangle. Got it? You can check by doing the one on your notebook. The answer is yes. Got it? 8 yards, 15 yards, and 17 yards. 225 plus 64 is 289. Yes, it is. The answer is yes. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So, if you need more help with any of the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? So, we have just done with grade 9 maths. The chapter we're working on is geometry, and the lessons we have covered today are perimeter area and volume changes in scale, Pythagorean theorem, then Pythagorean theorem word problems, then converse of Pythagorean theorem, is it a right angle triangle? So that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.